Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today we have an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S21 5G. I am extremely excited to do this unboxing. After I do the unboxing and first impressions video, I'm also going to be doing a full review on this channel, so if you're excited for that, smash the like button, subscribe to this new channel. I appreciate all the new fans coming out and checking out the channel. Got a bunch of awesome new content coming shortly. So yeah, subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you guys know exactly when I upload in the future, and let's hop right into the unboxing. So yeah guys, here we have the package itself. I'm also using a tripod with my G7 Panasonic Lumix G7 with a nice ring light attached to it. So if you're getting that ring light in my eyes, that's why. So yeah, here's the package. It just got delivered today from FedEx. The shipping was extremely quick and I was really impressed with it. Samsung does a great job with pre-orders as well as their delivery service. It's extremely efficient. Also, this is kind of weird packaging. We have the device right here. This is a very slim box. There's not much on here. As you can see, it says S21 5G, and yeah, this comes with 5G in it. Unlocked by Samsung, so this is the unlocked model. I use Xfinity Mobile, which runs off Verizon towers, but I may as well just get unlocked because there are certain perks that come with that. Slim box, they didn't include a charger, but I bought a charger externally. And then also here, we have the Samsung Smart Tag that also came with the pre-order, which is really cool right there. So yeah, I'm gonna switch this camera other way and actually show you the device itself and the unboxing experience. Okay, so here is the device, and here's also the Smart Tag. I guess I can just open up the Smart Tag first since it's just sitting here. Slice that open. And let's just, this Smart Tag is useful if, oh, there, it just falls right out. Quick start guide, it's the casing for it, already fell out. This is just if you want to attach this to a keychain or something and it connects to Samsung devices. It's similar to a tile, and it's just used for location services, so you never lose important stuff, or you can put this in your wallet if you never want to use your wallet. We'll just put that to the side, and let's open up the main thing here. We have two things of tape. Let's cut through that. And I'm cutting towards myself. That's probably not the smartest idea, but we go. So I got the Phantom Gray color if you are interested. And the unboxing experience for this isn't going to be the best just because Samsung kind of did away with a lot of the accessories they give you straight out of the box, which sadly, I wish they did give you more stuff, but they're not really doing that anymore. So we just have this plain Samsung cover right here. And by the way, this is just the standard model S21 5G. This is the smallest one. However, this is bigger than my S9 currently, which if you guys are interested in that, I can do a comparison review between the Galaxy S9 and also the S21, but let's just take this out of the box. Ooh, this feels really good in the hand. Ooh, this feels really nice. I'll put that off to the side and see what else is in the box. This is the unlocked model. So it does come with a cable, luckily, and literally there's nothing else in this box. It's literally that small, which is crazy. They're doing this for recycling purposes, or helping the environment, hoping that you already have a charger and don't actually need one, because they obviously used to ship chargers with every new device, which I do understand. If you have one, you can just use that, but this is the unlocked model, so we get the unlocked quick reference guide. And we have a, just introducing the new phone, Samsung Care. Anything else in here? Terms and conditions. Do we get a SIM card ejector? Oh, yep, there we go. Always need one of these. These are very useful. They go missing very easily, actually. So here we have the cable itself. Comes with a USB-C cable, luckily, so you can actually transfer data. And if you have a charger lying around, you can actually use this, which is great. I can never have too many USB-C cables because these are the future. of technology. So here is the device itself. I can take the plastic off, but right off the bat, feels nice in the hand, a little bigger than my S9. Also feels a bit heavier than my S9, which is surprising because this has a polycarbonate back on it, but which is good. Although it's not glass, it won't shatter as much, and it won't pick up fingerprints as easily. Those cameras are extremely, extremely large, way larger than the sensor on my S9. But yeah, here is the USB-C port, SIM card slot, no expandable storage, and a speaker grill right there. The flash, 3 cameras, and also the front-facing camera right here, which you can see right there. And on the side, we do have the volume up, volume down, power on switch. Hopefully this has some juice. Nothing on the left-hand side, and a microphone, a couple of microphones at the top, and there's also a microphone at the bottom. So I did get the just peel this off. It's oddly satisfying. Okay, this does not feel cheap at all. People are exaggerating that. This feels completely fine. We also have a thing to take off, a little plastic to take off the actual lenses themselves. Wow, that is sharp. That is extremely sharp. Also, Samsung logo right there. Let's just get a close-up of that camera setup right there. That is nice, ladies and gentlemen. I wish they put the flash in this area, just so for case manufacturers they don't have to do this jump right here. They could have just done this little rectangle, but it's a small gripe. Feels nice in the hand. Really like the camera setup. And then, by the way, this is not a screen protector on the front. This is plastic. So if you got this device, please take this off. This is not a screen protector. Take that off. And yeah, overall first impressions, feels great in the hand. Does not feel cheap at all. Good weight to it overall, a little heavier than my S9. So yeah, got this. Got the tile, got the quick reference guide, got the USB-C cable. Overall, I think it's good, and I will be doing another full review on this channel, so guys, stay tuned for that. I'm excited to do a full in-depth review of this phone. I guess I can just flip this over right here. Put that to the side. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification down below. Leave a comment what you think about the S21 and any future content you guys want me to make. Leave a comment suggesting it in the comment section down below. I appreciate all you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video from me, Scott Tyler, and yeah, peace.